Hello and welcome back to another KSP episode with me, and what you're seeing here is the beginnings of our brand new space casino. Yes, I am finally building a space casino, a contract that we have been awarded a long time ago, and I will be launching it probably in the biggest butt plug that you have ever seen. But in order to do that, I will be needing to unlock some more components, and for that, obviously the multi-point station connector costing us a whopping 300 research. So, all in all, and Clampotron docking port senior, because I don't want to be launching a mega structure up in the atmosphere without having proper composites. So, there we go. Alright, let's get into the building episode. So, this will be primarily building and testing episode, and the actual launch will be coming later on. However, I'm trying to find a good starting component for the whole structure. So, shall I go with Starship? Maybe. I don't know. Let's check out. For the time being, I want to go with the structure. So, let's see. Where is my probes? Do I need to start with a probe? Probably. Probably. Yeah, okay. I'm trying to find a decent size. Okay, fitting for it. There we go. Let's see. Alright, I need a bigger battery. Oh, I can have a big battery here. Alright, then. I'm thinking of this will be, as you saw, this will be a giant mast with a couple of solar panels, couple of antennas, some decent chunk batteries, reaction wheels, probably even the fabled RCS tanks and thrusters. So, just making sure that I can clamp on these things kind of nicely. Let's see. 2 sets of solar panels. I was thinking even 3, but again, maybe 2 would just suffice. There we go. Nice. Then what do we have? We have this thermal control system. There we go. Then we have the antenna. I want to have big antennas because this will be the relay. So I don't want my casino only to be here for aesthetic reasons. I also want it to be a big relay station that will be relaying the data with high throughput and capacity from interplanetary space all the way back to Kerbin. So yeah, there we go. And it will be launching as a probe. I mean, this size almost rules out Starship for a deployment vehicle. Well, I hope not. Okay, this looks nice. I just need to offset these a little bit. Good. There we go. We will also need some lights. Oh, okay, so SC, Space Casino Solar Plant. There we go. And we are putting a massive chunk of everything. So, yeah. Rocomax adapter, that's nicer, actually. And it will fit nicely with a 2.5 meter fairing. There we go. So now let's... Okay, so this won't go into the Starship, sadly. Starship can launch stuff, but it cannot be this big. Yeah. That's a little bit of a letdown. Alright. I will be using Starship for launching various other components though. So that being said, now let's put the docking ports here. All across the board. Yeah. There we go. Another couple batteries here, because we do want to have a lot of, you know, electricity. There we go. And then we need to be placing another... Wait, I actually want to have the docking port down there as well. So first the docking port, and then I will be placing a decoupler. There you go. Historically, I've been known to make such mistakes, so yeah. Big reaction wheel, yeah, I'll need that because the station will be huge. Yeah, oh, and I've just gotten my coffee. Tasty. There we go, look at this size. Now, you will understand why at the beginning of the episode did I say the biggest butt plug you have ever seen. Sorry. I mean, sorry for the language, but when it comes to it, it kinda looks weird. I don't know. Yeah. Anyway, Let's see if we find a good launch vehicle for this. Yeah, alright. Starship won't cut it, which means we have to build our own rocket to launch this bad boy into existence. This casino is supposed to be epic. It's supposed to be housing a lot of Kerbals, have massive amounts of electricity, power generation, lights, Christmas, even 4 damn asteroids. I have no idea whatsoever how to get 4 of the damn asteroids. They might as well said, oh well, you could actually, you know, GrunfWorks, get Gilly over there and just stick it in. Yeah, now you're giving me just ideas. Yeah, don't think it would work because Gilly is an orbital body and it's being treated as such by the game, but imagine how cool would it be. Honey, I've put Gilly in Kerbin's orbit. Yeah, it's part of our space casino. That would be just epic. Alright, so Delta V, I don't need it to be too high, I need it to be decent, so I'm thinking, oh, those are huge Clydesdale. I could actually go with Pollux. And Pollux is the shuttle era booster, and they actually look quite nice with this, and I like launching with solids. They're actually kind of cool. So let me see. No, not this one. Yeah, this one. Okay. So these nose cones will work nicely, and then I need fins for the aerodynamic stability. When you're launching with solids, you always want that the craft is aerodynamically stable, and this big fairing kind of makes it hard to be. So yeah. Auto strutting everything. And the center stage is powered by 1 mainsail, so yeah, there we go. Do we have something better? Okay, no, this doesn't clamp, disable staging. Okie doke. Do we have a better clamp? I'm just trying to find a nice launch platform. Is that so hard to find these days? I don't know. That does look cool though. Yeah, nope, that's too huge, that's too big. This is actually decent size. What if I take this one instead? Can I place this one somewhere on the side? Come on. Okay, yeah, well, that will work too. And I just need to find something that I can... Oh! Come on. Okay, tell you what, I'm gonna be placing this one. Saturn 1B launch stand. Yeah, there we go. That works. Done. Sold. Pack it and launch it. Do we have a launch tower? No, we don't. Well, I'm guessing we're going without the launch tower. It will be just a launch tool. That's fine. Alright. I'm thinking we're good. Let's prepare for the launch. 3, 2, 1, and ignition. Oh, and I've burned the... Sorry, I burned the stand. Look at our rocket go. Okay, so we're gonna lovingly call this one Bob. And the Bob is going into 350 kilometer orbit, so what I'm checking is I have no control over this stage, so except for, you know, pitching, yawing, rolling, but speed-wise and thrust-wise, none. Zero. Nada. Zilch. So once these 4 boosters burn up, we're gonna ditch them and be firing our center core stage. So 3, 2, 1, go! Whew. Good! That went well. So I'm not gonna go for the 100 kilometer orbit, which has become almost my signature. I'm going straightly for the 350 kilometer orbit, or thereabout, because our space casino needs to be above that line. So yeah. First, let's go 150 by 350, maybe 400. Yeah, 400 even. Sounds good to me. All right. All right, so... By the way, guys, I'm gonna cordially invite you to smash that like button. It helps me out a great deal, and it also tells me that you are appreciating the content and I should continue. Also, as a small thank you to all of my loyal viewers and patrons and YouTube members, you guys are gonna get access to the special episode, or not the special, but the next episode coming in line, which will be, I guess, the Urlum Explorer launch. So, similar to the other probes, I will be launching the craft to Urlum, and that's gonna happen at the end of this episode. Link will be provided at the end screen in the top right corner. Just a little bit announcement, and thank you from my side to you guys for being so awesome, watching all my videos all the way through the end, and I appreciate it a great deal. So, the station is getting launched into the 400-kilometer orbit. I just want to make sure that everything goes smoothly, deploys correctly and everything, and then we shall be doing the final piece of the test, and then we'll be queuing it for production. So think of this as a computer simulation of the launch. Yes. There we go. So let's see, what do we have here? Okay, 400 by 400, and once we actually expand those, look at these. Oh, ain't it beautiful? Ain't it glorious? Yeah, I'm just trying to find a very nice angle from which I can actually take this. Look at this. Looks great, doesn't it? So the solar panels are oriented so that they can catch maximum sun, while the radiators are to put off the maximum amount of heat from this. And here we will be connecting all the beautiful components that will be coming. But I'm thinking this will probably be orientation for the space station. A lot more will be added, but those will be coming in the future episodes. Until then, thank you very much for watching. I've been GrunfWorks, and don't forget an Urlum launch episode, top right corner.